This video is to demonstrate recording video in Right Booth using a Canon EOS R50 connected by USB cable. So here you can see the Canon is connected by a USB cable to the computer. We have the Canon showing a live feed into Right Booth and it's pointing at the screen, and I'm going to be recording videos at 1920 by 1080 at 25 frames a second. So let's first have a look at the screens in Right Booth into the editor. So here's the start screen. We then have the get ready screen, and you can see the infinite view there because we're pointing at the screen and we're getting lots of feedback there, in infinite feedback. On the record video screen it's set to record for 3 minutes. On the show video screen we will be showing the recorded video, and on the busy screen I've added a count up feature so you can see how long it takes to transfer the file when the video is complete. Right, so let's start the recording. So I'll play the event and I'll click to start the recording. You get the get ready screen, and then Right Booth puts the camera into record mode, and as you can see the R50 is now recording and Right Booth is counting down for the 3 minutes. So let's sit back and watch what happens. So we're coming to the end of the recording. When it gets down to 0, Right Booth will stop the camera recording and will start transferring the file across the USB cable. So let's watch what happens here. The camera is now stopped recording and the file is being transferred. Right Booth puts the camera into record mode, and as you can see the R50 is now recording and Right Booth is counting down for the 3 minutes. So let's sit back and watch what happens. So as you can see now, Right Booth is playing the recorded file back to the user. Let's have a look at the file itself. So I'll escape out of this and look at the files. As you can see, I've had quite a few attempts at this, different sizes, different settings. This is the most recent one. So it's 3 minutes and 4 seconds long. It's 259 megabytes. Let's just double click this. And then Right Booth puts the camera. As you can see, we've got the full file here. Here. So that's Right Booth using an R50 connected by a USB cable. So this time I'm going to repeat the exercise with the Canon R50 connected wirelessly. So as you can see, there's no connection physically to the computer this time. Right Booth is set up to use the Canon wirelessly. As you can see, it's showing the live view on the screen, and if you look on the screen here you can see that there's a little indicator for the Wi-Fi connection. Right, this time I'm only going to record 1 minute of video because the transfer time is quite a bit longer with wireless. You might get a better connection. My Wi-Fi connection is not brilliant in terms of speed here. But anyway, let's record a 1 minute video wirelessly. Click the play button, and it's exactly the same as before. I'm going to start the recording and we're now recording. You can see that the Canon has been put into record mode, and we are recording 1 minute of video. And again, when we get to the end of the recording, Right Booth will stop the camera recording and will transfer the file to the PC. This time it will be transferred wirelessly. So we're coming to the end now. Right Booth will send a command to the camera to stop it recording, and it will start transferring the file. If you look on the screen here, you can see that the Wi-Fi signal is pulsing, which means that the camera is transferring data across the Wi-Fi connection to the PC. And we're now recording. You can see that the Canon has been put into record mode, and we are recording 1 minute of video. So as you can see now, Right Booth is playing the video back after successfully receiving the file across the Wi-Fi connection. Let's escape out again. Take another look at the files. And here is the file that was transferred wirelessly. So it's an 88 megabyte file, and it's 1 minute and 2 seconds long. Let's just open that up. So here's the recording again. The camera stop it recording. So that was Right Booth recording a 1 minute video using a Canon EOS R50 and transferring the file wirelessly.